Here's a limit that comes up a lot in the study of power series. We want the limit of the sequence given by n to the power 1 over n. Now you could use L'Hopital's rule, but that's a bit like using a ballistic missile to kill a mosquito. First, convince yourself that the nth root of n will always be at least 1. So a sub n is always at least 1. Now for any epsilon greater than 0, we will show that the terms of this sequence eventually get below 1 plus epsilon and permanently stay there. That will prove that the limit of our sequence is simply 1. So pick any epsilon. We need to compare the nth root of n with 1 plus epsilon. Equivalently, we can compare n with 1 plus epsilon to the nth power. But the right-hand side can be expanded with the binomial theorem, and if we take just the first three terms, we see that it is at least as big as 1 plus n times epsilon plus n choose 2 times epsilon squared. But the left-hand side is just linear in n, and the right-hand side is quadratic in n, and we know from basic algebra that the linear function will eventually fall below the quadratic, so if you go far enough out, the nth root of n will be dominated by 1 plus epsilon. QED and mic drop.